Now we're going to test for symmetry to the line y equals x. In order to do this, you take all of your x's and change them to y's, and you take all of your y's and change them to x's, and then you look to see if it equals the original equation. In the first example, y equals x cubed plus 7, I'm going to make the y an x and the x a y. Now we ask ourselves, does it match? Does it match the original equation? And in this case, our answer would be no. Now let's repeat the process for the second example. Again, I'm going to make my x my y, and I'm going to make my y my x. And I ask myself the question again, does it match the original equation? And in this case, yes it does, because the x and y is commutative. Therefore, we can conclude that yes, it's symmetrical to the line y equals x.